my trail like a steamer. They needed the wave, number 2 man. The water homie, they my shelling.
They needed the wave, number 2 man. Hi, Lentwana. XFT. Hola, hola. Whatever Macas Italianos, welcome back to another episode of Kasi Lifestyle Originals. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like and subscribe and join the Originals family, man. I go by the name of Zulu Ocean, man. To those who don't know, man, I go by the name of Zulu Ocean. Yes, man. Today we're going all the way to South Africa. Let's not waste time. Today we're going to be checking out an artist who goes by the name of XFT. The name of the song is called Shukela. Which means sugar that you put in your tea. Yeah. The song features Flo Jones Jr. Yeah. And LACABRA from the Tuelas. Yeah. So I know 2 artists here. I don't know the third one. XFT. This is the first time I'm hearing about XFT. But Xavier, it's probably Xavier. So yeah, Xavier Thomas. Yeah, we're gonna be checking out the music today. I don't have any expectations, but I know Flo Jones is fire. He's fire. So yeah, LACABRA as well. He's fire as well. He's fire. I saw him perform at the Confante, and that nigga was on fire on stage. Like, yo, he brought that shit to life. Either way though. Let's check out Shukela by XFT featuring Flo Jones Jr.
Yeah, let's go. The queen on me got the sugar. Happy, she up in my DMs. And sing about you, man. I'm more like a boss from AM to PMs.
Bye. What? Okay. XFT. Alright. Hey, I don't know. Did you guys feel that? Yeah? Did you guys feel that? Like, was it just my shoulders moving? They just moved automatically. What's going on?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
The queen on me got the sugar. Happy, she up in my DMs. And sing about you, man. I'm more like a
she on my DMs. Again, she on my DMs.
Me got the sugar. Happy, she up in my DMs. And sing about you, man. I'm more like a boss from AM to PMs. I'm still in my bag, let me cool back. They follow my trail like a steamer. They needed the wave, number 2 man. The water homie, they my shelling.
They needed the wave, number 2 man. Hi, Lentwana. XFT.
Follow my trail like a steamer. They needed the wave, number 2 man. The water homie, they my shelling. Happy, I'm choosy. Happy.
The water on me, a shelela.
But she choose me. Happy, I'm on green. Happy, she can't leave. Happy, I'm choosy. Happy, she choose me. Happy, I'm on green. Happy, they said that I'm fresh like a new day. How to do, man? Big bread with the butter. Happy, they said that I'm fresh like a new day. How to do, man? Big bread with the butter. Shawty gon' look like a govan. Blue notes in the bogey. I can't miss you, can't please ya. Happy, ain't tinta. Hating on me, not a ginga. Happy the
Always Jones, but they calling me for you, cause I'm a big dreamer.
Hi, Flo. I'm busy for y'all.
Happy the
Always Jones, but they calling me for you, cause I'm a big dreamer. What I do really ain't usual, they couldn't keep up. Let's go. I call my fans my fiends, I serve like Serena. I'm planning shit down to a G, just like a skipper. Oh, that's how I do that. They shut off the top, it look like a do-rag. They say get a job, man, I couldn't do that. I couldn't move back, give him
even Jones, they say get a job. My mom's like, nah, I can't do that shit. Nah.
They say get a job, man, I couldn't do that. I couldn't move back, gave him sauce, he got some new black. And I wish my pops was here, cause I'm a new man.
The greet on me got the sugar. Happy, she up in my DMs. And sing about you, man. I'm more like a boss from AM to PMs. I'm still in my bag, let me cool back. They follow my trail like a steamer. They needed the wave, now about 2 men. The water.
They follow my train like a steamer.
Homie, they my shelly.
Booty. Manzi mani, akula se pendukin bolos. Busy night, showing I'm moving like solo. Manzi mani, akulu so ting I score.
Manzi akulu so ting score. Namuzu ting LACABRA.
Se pendukin bolos. Busy night, showing I'm moving like solo. Manzi mani, akulu so ting I score. Shootings over like solo. If I some nail on my queen, gon' slide in the post. Dazzy push and punch, I score. Don't fuck with the man in the middle, like content gold. I'm still in my bag, I'm nice, I push out.
The greet on me got the sugar. Happy, she up in my DMs. And sing about you, man. I'm more like a boss from AM to PMs. I'm still in my bag, let me cool back. They follow my trail like a steamer. They needed the wave, now about 2 men. The water on me, they my shelly. Water on me, they my shelly. Juice on me, never pelling. I need a D, never like I'm Kenneth. That bring him hell, man, jing him Kelly. Keep it in gun, fuck it, look, she's concrete jungle like Kukarashtina. I got that on the speaker, she sent me a DM like cool cara, she believe her. He tryna act like a ginza, but why does he move like a steeper? She a 10 out of 10, I don't need her. But she sending me up on a Finsta. At the top of my game, yeah, but keep it. She ain't even my type, young sugar. I just do what I do, bang boogie. I just came with the cheese, bang for me. The greet on me got the sugar. Happy, she up in my DMs. And sing about you, man. I'm more like a boss from AM to PMs. I'm still in my bag, let me cool back. They follow my trail like a steamer. They needed the wave, now about 2 men. The water on me, they my shelly.
What the fuck? Bro. Jayam. Aye. It's going down in Josie. Like, yo, these kids are killing it out here in Josie. Like, yes, sis. Yo, like, XFT. Where the fuck have you been? Where have you been hiding, dog? Where have you been hiding? Or was I the one who was under a rock? But where have you been hiding, dog? This number needs to blow up, Joe. This number needs to blow up. Yo, the Shukela in this. High blood pressure. Shukela, man. Yay. It's okay. Hi. Sugar at the end. Have you ever put tea? Have you ever put sugar in tea, and then it went like that? That's how, like, when sugar goes and then you mix it and then you taste it and you feel it. It's the song. Drink some tea. Because it's crazy. It's crazy, Jayam. My casi Italianos. It's too much, my casi Italianos. My Italianos, bro. Too much, this one. Yo. Shukela. Yeah, it's got that, you know. It's got the pumped up vibe, you know, and like in it, like it's like it's like a highlight of the new wave, man. Of the new wave, you know. It shows you, like, it's like a showcase of like the new wave, you know, in hip hop right now, especially in South Africa, you know. And these kids, they're killing it, you know. And what I love about all these kids that are coming in right now, like, they all do it their own way, you know. Like, they're not trying to imitate anyone. They're coming in with the neck. That's what I also love about it. They're coming in with the neck and they're killing it, bro. And they're mixing it down. They're mixing it. It's like, yeah, but they're mixing it, you know, in the beat, you know, in the hip hop, in the trap, you know. It's like, yeah, you know, yeah, it's you know, it's like a culture trap, you know, it's like a culture trap, you know, Afro trap, you know, yeah, you know, and it's yeah, and I'm coiling it. Are you guys coiling it? Leave a call if you guys are calling this. Leave a call there in the comment section if you guys are calling this. Man, this is fire, man. XFT, man, fucking dope song, man. Fucking dope song. You know, we need to push this one, man. We need to push this one. Like, we need to rise up the numbers, guys. Please go check out the song, man. Please go check out the song. Run up the numbers. Flo Jones. Flo Jones. But they call him Vuyo. Wait, nobody love. I get wrong. About the lamb, Flo Jones. I never see about the lamb. Never see about the lamb. Yeah, I can't. LACABRA dog. I will let it. We let it by the lamb. We let it dog. Like, I want to see the song perform live. Like, I want to see like the next mission, like, guys, like perform the song live, please, live. Like we need to see this song live. I don't know at what event. Oh, there's actually an event that's coming up soon. You guys should go check it out. It's thingy. Let me check it out. The event. There's an event that's coming up soon. I'll post it here. It's called the Breakout. It's called Breakout the Matrix. It's an essay hip hop culture event. You know. Yeah. We got Habili, Red Pill, and LA Lick, man. Like, yeah, it's gonna be fire. It's gonna be a whole lot more. Like, yeah. So guys, you guys should pull up, man. 50 Rand entrance. You know, it's gonna be dope, man. It's gonna be dope. Those open at 12 till, you know, night. You know how it is, man. You know how it is. Free parking as well. You know, free parking. You know, it's in Jamestown. You know, I'll post the address and the link there. Young Charles. Yeah, for that, yeah. But either way though, like, you know, guys, like, yeah, it's about to go down in the hip hop culture right now. Like, in the hip hop culture right now, it's about to go down. These kids they all coming with fire. We just checked out Tyson's freestyle right now, and it was fucking dope. You know, it was like I'm so excited for his coming album on the 26th. You know, it's gonna be insane. Shukela by XFT, guys. Let's go run up the numbers, man. We should check out more XFT songs, man. Other songs. If anyone is a fan of XFT, any recommendations on what other song I should check out? They got XFT. You know, that's dope. You know, let me know in the comment section. But yeah, right now, hey, let's subscribe. Let's subscribe to XFT. We support him, dog. Let's subscribe to the boy. Yeah. And let's leave a like. Here. Let's leave a like on this song. Let's leave a like. Yeah, like, subscribe. We did, young tall. Yeah. But either way, though, yeah, that's it right now for me. Zulu Ocean. Yeah, I go by the name Zulu Ocean. For those who don't know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, though. On a serious note, thank you to everyone who has subscribed. It really means a lot to me. Like, guys. Like, yo, guys, like, yo, guys, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Promise there's a whole lot more content coming up. Yeah, I'll keep feeding you guys content, like, weekly now. Like, yeah, 3 videos a week. You know how it is. Yeah, probably I'm gonna try to push 5 videos, but yeah. But either way, though, thank you very much everyone who has subscribed. Yeah, that's it right now for me. I go by the name of Zulu Ocean. Till the next one, till another one. Easy Makasi Italianos. Oh yeah. Shoot.